All right, we are back again live here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. These are the batteries here. These are 6 kilowatts here, 3 kilowatts each, and it's 8 modules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 16 total. If you put them together, it's a 32S, but it's just one of these is a 16S. Okay, it's a 8 times 2 is 16. That's why you come about the S's or whatever, 16 in series, 8 batteries in series, 8 times 2 is 16, they call it 16S. So right now if you go like this, a 32S. Okay, well, I just thought about this is how I'm gonna go about this and get the batteries connected in series or in parallel. So I'm just looking at some of the possibilities I can able to utilize and get this stuff. Here are 2 methods I want to show you guys. You guys have better ideas anyway, but this is how JW Solar is going to do this. Is a 2 or 3 forms of way of handling this. Maybe 4 ways. So first of all, there comes bus bars. These are gold bus bars. Okay, these are other set of bus bars. Okay, see that? It's another set of bus bars which it can be utilized to interconnect your batteries. Like these are bus bars. Can you able to use these to interconnect for your batteries? Then the other set is this guy here. It's another way of interconnects for your batteries terminals. Okay, and the fourth one will be the wire. Okay, the standard, which is the cable. It's gonna go a mini gauge, whatever. I don't have it with me here. Forgot to grab it. So this is it. So right now, the way the batteries are is a positive, negative here. So if you want to go into the 32S, it's just a matter of putting this bus bar right here. But unfortunately, this bus bar is shorter. But right now, I already make a contact. If I put a probe on here and here, will give you 67.2 times 2. Then that's going to be, do the math, over how many volts is that? So by connecting it right here, no spark because they are not the same polarity. Okay, all right. So if we want to go a parallel, the positive here is going to sit on top of here. We interconnect them, so that gives us all in parallel. What it's going to do, it keeps the voltage to 67.2 volts, and the amperage increase, which is a 45 amps on this one. So 45, you know the math, it's about 90 amps. Okay, that's what it does. So I have all these other cool ones here. You can see if also I can able to interconnect, or I can able to use if it's the other version. Let's flip the batteries over and see how we can go about this. Or I can able to cut this bus bar to make it fit right there. So it's going to be just this size. This is what we would have utilized to make interconnects right here for series. But we don't want to series that because my inverter is not that, the voltage is not higher. It's higher, but it's not going to be over 100 or 200 volts. As of now, we're going to take the batteries and set it up in a way that we can able to reach the other one. All right, it's heavy, but this guy is not that lazy not to take care of business. So this is how you set them up. So you're just gonna pile them. Okay, I'm gonna set them up. So I would have, if I want to go through a series connection, I can able to do a cross. Okay, so positive to negative here, I can have the negative going to the inverter, negative here, and the positive here this would have been the best guy to do that, to interconnect. See, I can just flip one way or the other. I can make it to work. Okay, press this guy down and push this guy down here. There you go, like this. Okay, that would be a perfect bus bar. That is going to be really cool. But, and I'm not serious in the battery, like I said. Let me get it all aligned. I'm going to be paralleling the battery. So what I'm going to do is another bus bar here. Like I said, up. These are from Nissan Leaf. Okay, Nissan Leaf battery pack. So I can use this one, positive to positive. This is going to be my positive with the color. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, I don't have another one that is that, because in the Leaf battery, when you dissect it or open it or disassemble a battery, some of these things, they come in different styles because of the way the batteries are arranged. And you can see one of these like these. Okay, and you have a lot of ones like this. They all come in different shapes. So guys, this is what it is. So because of that, I can able to use this guy to do the perfect connection, or I can able to use this one as well. You know, having two of these there, okay, and there. I know some of you guys are afraid because you think it's gonna arc. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. I can do this to interconnect this entire battery. Okay, and I can leave that one there and take this because it's almost this is the same length. So interconnect this one. So I got my positive negative by getting this one a little, kick this battery a little bit here, and it's all in. Okay, there we go. It's right there. It's in. It's in. We got this all figured out. That's how, when you have things, you don't have to get rid of them. You don't have to throw things away. So this is the entire thing. This is how I'm going to be connecting the batteries. If you look at this, thickness of this plate is the same, almost the same as this. A little bit different, a little bit bigger, but it's almost. So by doing so, I'm set. That's why always buy things when you think you don't know when you need them. And that's what I was doing. I've been doing this and prepare for the time I'm going to need some of this stuff. Some people probably think it's a waste. The other way, you're going to save your money and buy this. You're not going to use this anymore. Like, if I want to do this now, I shouldn't have got this. I still have to order them. But I have them now. I have a bunch of bus bars. I have a bunch of these ones. I have the screws, the bolt. So guys, these are all in the cable for the BMSs. They send me those wire, this cable to the plugs, and they have other ones at the back to do a chain, connect them in a chain work or whatever, and more string of string. But guys, this is the best I can come up with. I wish this one would have been straight. I can still able to cut this one right there, just right here, and cut it and drill a hole. But I don't want to ruin this one for a future application. So I hope I don't know. I don't want to regret it by doing so, and in the future I have a project that needs that kind of thing. Then I don't have that anymore. So this is how I'm come up with this entire idea. Stay tuned for the next video coming up soon, live at the command center, JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe to the video. Love you guys. Bye.